For all wiring scenarios, here are some things to keep in mind. All emergency lights must be on the same circuit and fit the power rating. Use either 120 or 277 volt lines. The input and output voltage must be the same. Here's how to wire lights connected to multiple wall switches. In this example, we have more than one zone. Each zone has multiple lights that are controlled by a wall switch, including an emergency light in each room. Since there is more than one wall switch that needs to be connected to the mini inverter, transfer switches must be used to override the wall switch devices. A transfer switch must be installed for each switch. Transfer switches can be installed beside wall switch, light fixture, or mini inverter. You must select the mini inverter with no diagnostic option for applications where transfer switches are being installed. Wire the unswitched input on the mini inverter and all transfer switches to the electrical panel. Wire the electrical panel to the wall switches. Wire the mini inverter to all transfer switches and connect each transfer switch to the lights that will be used as emergency lighting. Wire the wall switch in each zone to the transfer switch and the lights that are not being used as emergency lighting. When AC mains power is on, the lights in each zone are controlled by the respective switch. When the main power goes out, the transfer switches will bypass the wall switch so that even if a switch is off, the light wired as emergency lighting will turn on, powered by the mini inverter. For more information about mini inverter electrical designs, contact technical support.